Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for an SUV and you want to maximize your savings, you need to look beyond just the price tag. Factors like fuel economy, durability, reliability, and strong resale value are crucial. Plus, regular upkeep is key to keeping costs down. With car prices soaring to an average of $47,000, more than $7,000 higher than just 5 years ago, finding an economical car is vital to avoid financial stress. Today, we've teamed up with GoBankingRates.com to highlight 5 SUVs that will give you the most bang for your buck. So let's dive in. Number 1, Kia Niro. The maintenance cost, $4,200 during the first 5 years, this according to Edmunds. The Kia Niro is a stylish and affordable SUV starting around $29,000. With proper maintenance, it can last up to 250,000 miles. Matt Smith, deputy editor over at Car Guru, says, for most shoppers, few vehicles are going to beat the Kia Niro in terms of total savings. It delivers upwards of 53 miles per gallon and is cheaper to buy than midsize SUVs like the RAV4 Hybrid and CR-V Hybrid. Plus, the Niro EV comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile limited basic warranty. Next, the Toyota RAV4. Maintenance costs $5,500 during its first 10 years, $3,600 less than the average SUV according to Car Edge. Toyota's RAV4 is renowned for its reliability with a lifespan of over 200,000 miles, upwards of 250 with proper maintenance. Rob Dillon from EV Hype notes that the RAV4's impressive fuel economy of up to 28 miles per gallon city, 35 highway makes it easy on your wallet. Its durability and strong resale value ensures a better return if you decide to sell someday. Next, the Honda CR-V. Maintenance cost just over $7,100 during its first 10 years, about $2,000 less than the average SUV according to CarEdge.com. The CR-V, known for its excellent quality, lasting 250 to 300,000 miles with routine care. Dillon again states the CR-V offers outstanding fuel economy with up to 28 miles per gallon city, 34 on the highway. High reliability and affordable routine maintenance makes it a cost-effective long-term investment, he says. Plus, it comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty and maintains a high resale value. The Subaru Forester. Maintenance cost over its first 10 years, about $7,900, almost $8,000, $1,200 less than the average SUV, again, according to CarEdge.com. The Subaru Forester is a versatile SUV that can last up to 300,000 miles when well maintained. Dillon says the Forester's standard all-wheel drive and fuel economy of 26 city, 33 highway makes it a solid choice. Known for its high reliability and reasonable maintenance costs, it's built to withstand tough conditions. Its high safety ratings further reduce the risk of costly repairs. Next up is the Mazda CX5. Maintenance cost during its first 10 years, according to CarEdge.com, $7,300. That's about $1,800 cheaper than the average SUV. The Mazda CX5, a popular crossover that can go 200 to 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. Dillon highlights, with up to 25 city, 31 highway, it's fuel efficient for an SUV. The CX5 provides a great driving experience with minimal repair needs and holds its value well, ensuring a good return on your investment. So there you have it, my friends. 5 SUVs, the top picks for saving money over the long term. They offer great fuel economy, reliability, strong resale value, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more car buying tips and advice. If and when you are in the market for a new or used vehicle, check out quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free search engine for the best and lowest deals being offered in your zip code from qualified dealerships. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. Insider access to dealer pricing. Select your make, model, and zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, simply expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles to save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used vehicle of your choice. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link directly below this video. That's my video for today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. It's free and it really helps support this channel.
See you next time.
Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.